Hey guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to teach you 5 awesome apps that can actually make you money starting today. Before I get started, you want to subscribe to my channel. This is my channel. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I do videos like this all the time. I teach people how to make money online. I've taught a whole lot of people how to make money online, and I'm aiming to do the same thing in this video. So these money making apps, these free money apps, like I said, I've already made money with them. So I'm not telling you what I think works. I'm not telling you something that might pay. I'm not telling you theory. I'm telling you what works. I'm well represented, and I'm well, my track record is well documented. I've made money with these apps, and I'm actually going to show it to you in this video today. So the first one I'm starting with is Dash. Dash is not really a new app that I've been, a new app that I've just started promoting. It's an app that's been around for a while. It's been around since I think around 2015. You basically download, and all the links to these apps are in the description below. So, as a matter of fact, I even leave the document link that's going to have all of the apps in the instructions, the ones that I didn't get on this video. But I actually leave Dash in the description below because I believe in Dash that much. Dash is a really cool money making app. It allows you to earn money just by linking a card and going out and shopping at these places. But just by shopping at these places alone is not going to make you a whole lot of money. You can actually refer people. You can actually refer people to this app and earn $5 when they link a verified debit or credit card, because Dash knows people are going to actually go out there and use the app. And most of these places that are on the app, people shop at anyway, anyway on a day-to-day basis. And these apps, matter of fact, these apps, not these apps, but these stores are very, very popular stores. So a person that links a verified debit or credit card and goes in their store and actually uses the credit or debit or credit card, they're actually going to get, some cash back directly to their Dash wallet. So is so easy. Once you make over $25, you can, and there's 2 things that you need to do in order to qualify to cash out your money. Once you make over $25, on your Dash app, you basically, can, withdraw your money, but you also have to have a cash back. So you have to go to one of these stores and get your first cash back, and then you're able to withdraw. And you refer people. Like I said, you earn $5 per person. Sometimes they have promotions where they actually, allow you to earn maybe $10 to $15 per person that you refer. So, it's really up to you. But it's pretty simple. Basically, you just go ahead and, when you refer people, make it come directly to your Dash wallet and your $5, and you continuously build up, get your first cash back, and you withdraw your money directly to Venmo or PayPal. Now, I'm going to show you into my Venmo just to show you some payment proof. I said I was showing payment proof. All of these apps I've earned money with. So you could see Dash has paid you $40, and that's my link right there. When you link a card, like I said, you get a $5 bonus. So I didn't tell you that you get a $5 bonus. I'm telling you now, when you link a card through my link, you're going to get a $5 bonus just for linking a card. So that's $5 already that you have in your wallet. The only thing you have to do is make $20 more, either by getting cash back or by referring, and then you can withdraw your money directly to Venmo, PayPal, or your bank account. I have did all 3. Did my bank account, did Venmo, and I've done PayPal. Venmo is a little bit faster paying out, so I do like Venmo a little bit better. But you can just see the constant payments that are coming in from Dash. This is, this is pretty simple. Now you can get paid out other ways. Like I said, PayPal, your bank account. Like I said, I've done all 3. Dash is just literally, they just introduced, not Dash, they just introduced Venmo, and it's literally really, really fast for you to get a payout. So, but the only thing that really sucks about Venmo is on weekends, it takes a long time for you to get a payment. Like I have a $50 payment that's supposed to be coming from Venmo, but it's not going to transfer until Monday. So, in that case, you might, and your bank account is the same way. So in that case, you might want to use PayPal, because PayPal is, 24/7, and you will get your payment directly to your PayPal, using that. The second app is Appflame. Nothing new about Appflame. You basically download apps and they pay you per minute that you are on the app. So, if I load this up real quick, you can see I have 164,267 points. You can also invite friends, but they pay you to play these type of games. So you can see this Yahtzee game, they pay you 366 coins per minute. So basically you just have the app open. or play it, or if it's the actual game you like, and you come out here to your payouts, and you're going to get paid out all the way up to $20, or even if you starting out slow. 499 coins gets you 50 cents in your PayPal. They take about a day to or maybe a day to 2 days for you to get your money. They're really quick when you request a payout. So, and they have other gift cards in here as well. And on this other app I'm going to show you, it's really easy to earn some credit in here, and you can actually get paid out through Amazon or a virtual Visa gift card. I've been paid out multiple times through basically gift cards and Visa gift cards. Visa gift cards are just like money. They're virtual. You use them at other places. So Appflame was the second one. This is the third one. This is the one that doesn't have like a PayPal feature. It only has gift cards, but that's cool with me because I still use Amazon. Matter of fact, I just order like $50 worth of stuff on Amazon, all using gift cards. So it doesn't matter to me. You can actually use the Amazon gift card, pay for things on Amazon, and then turn around and sell them to earn cash. If that's something that you're into, that's just a quick little side hustle. So this app is called Fish Rewards. It pays you to scan your receipts. So I'm gonna just take you to my overall receipt thing. So I've got over 27,000 points. So that's roughly worth around $27. You get paid 1,000. Well, now that we're in the promotion mode because of March Madness, so you get paid $3,000 for your first receipt that you scan. And I'll actually leave my code, because you actually have to have a code in order to do this. So I'm gonna leave my code and the link in the whole 9 yards in the description below. Like I said, it might be on the document, but matter of fact, I'll show you guys a document in a minute after I get through explaining this. But you just scan your receipt, and it basically tells you how much you're spending at these different places. So you can see I have Walmart, Kroger, I have a couple of Dollar General ones in here. Any receipt, if you have, matter of fact, I know a lot of you guys have a lot of receipts. If you have any receipts from this month, you want to take those receipts. You want to download this app first and take those receipts and just scan them, continuously scan them. I'm pretty sure that your glove compartment, my glove compartment was full of receipts. Pockets probably full of receipts. They give them to you. Sometimes they just bottle them up and throw them away. If you have a whole bunch of receipts, you want to gather those receipts and come in here and scan each one of them. Some you're going to earn a whole lot of points on. Some you're not going to earn no points on there. But this is still free money just for scanning your receipts. And if you bought any of these products at the store, if the store, you want to look at your receipt and see if you bought any of these products, and you just add these directly. You just hit that plus button, it's going to add it to your queue. So when you scan them, if you bought their product, you're going to earn 800 points for, let's say, this Cares body wash, 250 points for this Buyer's ice cream. I know currently that I'm going to add this to it because I know I've just bought some mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is really popular in my household, so I'm going to add that. And basically, when I scan a receipt and it sees that I bought this mayonnaise products, it's going to give me 750 points along with the 1,000 points that they're adding for me scanning a receipt. So that's that. You come over here, you hit scan, you just basically hit this picture button, you take a picture of it. That'll let you know if you actually scanned the receipt. So let me just show you my rewards in here. Like I said, I got the $10 Visa gift card. It was 11,000 points, 11,500 points. The $10 Visa gift card USD. I can basically take that, spend it anywhere I want. Got a $10 Amazon gift card and another $5 Amazon gift card. Got both of those yesterday. So, I have earned with this app. So that's Fish Rewards. That's the third app. The fourth app is Society. This is really cool. I've had this app for over a week now. I've made over $158 with this app. I did $50 in Amazon. So basically, when you come over here and you want to spend it on stuff, you hit this Amazon. Now you gotta have over $20 in order to shop on Amazon. So you hit shop on Amazon and then basically add your items to your cart. In the final checkout, you'll be prompted to use your Society Cash, and you just enter in the amount of money that you want to withdraw to Amazon, and they're going to send it directly to your if they're going to give you the code, excuse me, that you can just paste into your Amazon gift card balance. So it's pretty easy. Matter of fact, I can just show you because I used it just to order some stuff that I ordered. So let me go over and let me pause this video and sign in, and I'm gonna actually show you where you, well, I'll just do this. When you, okay, because I'm already signed in on this one. So you basically want to go to your account. And matter of fact, I can't sign in right now, so I'm not signed in. But basically what you would do is you would go to your account, you'll look in there, you would go down to where it says redeem an Amazon gift card. You will add that, well, in checkout, excuse me. Okay, I'm tripping. In checkout, once you get your stuff and you add it to your cart, because I did this the last time. Once you add your stuff to your cart and you check out, they're going to ask you for payment methods. You can hit Amazon gift card and then the code that you got from them. So once you enter in the amount you want to withdraw, they're going to send you, they're going to copy, you're going to do a code, and it's going to copy to your clipboard. You take that code and you copy that from your clipboard and you paste it in the Amazon gift card section where the payment methods is, and you press enter and it is going to upload it, and then you can, when you go to your card, it'll just say 0. So that's how you do that. They also pay through PayPal. So if you have a PayPal account, you have to have a minimum of $80. You can see right here, $80 you get transferred from PayPal, $20 to transfer to your Amazon gift card. And I didn't even tell you what the app was about. This app allows you to play games on different TV shows that I'm pretty sure you guys are watching. And if you're not watching, you can actually go and find the episode online. It's really fun. They paid out over $500,000 in prizes. So, you know, this is not fake. This is really, really legit. And you can see the upcoming games, the upcoming episodes. So basically the voice that comes on this week, you can actually come in here, and the more you get right, the bigger piece of the pie you get. You can actually come in here and watch some of these other TV shows as well. So I'm pretty sure you guys watch these TV shows, so you probably just answer the questions and you get your portion of the portion of the prize. So they just did a Kids Choice Awards one that I probably, and I actually watched that too, that I should have taken. It was a $1,000 pot. So when people was watching the Kids Choice Award, they can come in here and answer questions and get a portion of that pot. So depending on how many people take the test. So I know people that got $10 to $20 just by having that. Just by taking a test during the app and getting the most questions right. So This Is Society is basically you just taking tests on, taking little fun quizzes on the TV shows that you just watched. You earn a piece of the pie. But yeah, that Kids Choice Awards was, I kind of messed up on that one because I didn't even think of it. That was a $1,000 pot. So the more questions you get right, the bigger the pot you get. So that's Society. That's the fourth one. And I'm going to go over this last one, and the other ones, like I said, I'll leave a document with all of the links to those in the description below. But all the rest of them, that's not in the included, and that's not in the included one that I'm talking about right now. So there's some more apps that you can make money with. So let me go to the last one, and I probably deleted, but the app is called 1Q. I can actually go in here and actually show you some proof about 1Q. Hold on, let me exit out of all this stuff right here. Going down, actually showing you guys in my email. Let me have a lot of stuff that's going on in here. So should be in, okay, it's in the wrong one. Focus. Okay, blah blah blah. Here we go. Okay, you can see some Dodge in here. But let me go. You can see 1Q payment. They paid me 25 cents directly to my PayPal when I answer a question or refer somebody. So 1Q is an app that you download. They send you questions. Once you answer those questions, they send you 25 cents directly to your PayPal. And if you refer people, you actually get paid 25 cents to your PayPal account. So that app is called 1Q. Just shows you some payment proof. They go 1Q right there, service at PayPal. So you can just see that I did get paid by them. Let me, you can also see a level rewards, even though we're not talking about that because it's not an app. But yeah, you can see 25. You see thanks for the referral, or you can either get a referral, or you can either get somebody, not get somebody, but answer a question. So you get paid 25 cents for referrals, 25 cent, for answering questions. They send the money directly to your PayPal. You earn a whole lot of money with that. Those are the 5 awesome apps that you can make money with. Just simple as that. I showed you payment proof for each and every one of them, so you have all of the information. Go ahead, get started. It's really, really easy. All the links will be in the description below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share this video with other people. I will have the link to the document with all of the other apps and websites that I use in the description below. It's going to be a Google document link. You just click that. It'll take you and it'll show you all of the links that I have in there. So that's all I got for you guys. Share this video with other people. People need to know about this. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace out.